friends? I'm gonna jump right into a warm-up that I do on those days where I just don't have much time, but I still wanna get in a quick warm-up before I jump into a little bit more vigorous or more intense exercise. So let's get right into it and we'll get that body warming up. So you're gonna come walking out into plank. You can bend the knees slightly here, especially if your legs are stiff. So come into plank, push up and back to down dog, lift your right leg high, sweep it through for a low lunge, open the right arm up into a twist, hand down, lift, high lunge, right hand drops down, left arm lifts up and over for a side stretch. Arms back overhead, bring the hands down, walk the right foot out so we have space for the hands in the middle, the left foot steps up into a nice squat, lift the hips, drop the head, squat back down, and then we're gonna kind of unwind it through the other side. So walk the left foot in towards the center, lift the arms overhead, left hand down, sweep the arms overhead, arms up, bring them down, low lunge, twist the left hand up, hand down, and step back. You can lift the left leg up high, three-legged down dog, down to down dog, and then shift forward, plank, and walk back up, rolling up to standing. Excuse me, my voice is kind of giving out on me a little bit here. I've had a cold, so my voice isn't feeling too happy. So here we are in plank, shift back, down dog, right leg high, sweep it through, low lunge, right arm twists open, hand down, lift up, high lunge, right arm down, left arm reaches over, arms back up, hands down, widen the stance, come into a squat, lift the hips, squat down, and unwind it. So we got the high lunge, reach over, reach up, hands down, twist it open, hands in, come to plank, down dog, left leg high, and come back to down dog. Walk the hands in, rolling up, coming up to stand. Keep going here. So we're gonna go through each side a couple of times to really make sure that we get the body warmed up. It's a nice full body warm up here. Hands down, high lunge, side reach. So you're getting the hip flexors warmed up, the core warmed up, the shoulders warmed up, the hamstrings, and the whole body nice and open, moving through the joints. Plus, if you start to understand the flow and you want to move more quickly, you can take the tempo up a bit more to get the heart rate up even more. And walking up, we're going to do one more, doing both sides. So getting some nice fluid yoga moves to get our body ready for a bit more intense exercise. This can be, if you slow it down, could be actually a really nice cool down as well. But for the warm up, you want to keep the tempo nice and fluid. Oops, I almost forgot the twist. Plank, down dog, left leg high, bring it down, walk the hands back. So here you get a nice stretch through the back of the leg, rolling it up. We're gonna do one more time. So you should try and go for about 5 times total. Just get to kind of start to feel a little more fluid throughout the whole body. You might even notice after you do it a couple times that the body starts to open up a bit more. Nice wide lunge here, big squat, come down, step back. So now you have a nice wide lizard lunge and you walk the foot in so it's more parallel on the same tracks. Lift the hips up as you walk the hands back and roll up to standing. Awesome job. Nice work, you guys. We're gonna jump right into the workout, or you can swap this in with a different workout but just use this whenever you're feeling a little bit short on time, but you really want to kind of get the nice whole body warm up. All right, see you soon. Bye.